Hi, I'm Steven. I'm the Senior Director at Andes Technology, and I run engineering operations from North America. I've been working on CPUs for most of my career, moving from back-end place and route, taping up chips, verification, design, architecture, and now management. Now, just when I feel that I've been in this industry for a long time, a veteran of the field, I'm reminded that Bing here has been around even longer. So tell me, Bing, how long have you been in this profession, and what captured your interest for so long?
Hey, thanks, Stephen. Yeah, I have been with the industry for over 30 years, and I started my career as an intern with Motorola AMD. And the reason I pursue CPU design as my first job out of school is because computer architecture is a fundamental knowledge of a modern electronic industry. I can leverage the CPU design architecture experience to pursue other interests that can further broaden my knowledge. I started my career as a circuit designer and moved my way up to architect. And every step of the way, I must continue acquire new knowledge. The more I learn, the more I found out what I do not know. And it feeds to itself. I guess curiosity is part of my nature, and learning become part of my daily life.
I see. And I've heard that you recently joined Andes. So tell me, what made you choose Andes, and how do you like it so far?
Yeah, yeah. I joined Indus 3 months ago from Meta, and I was working on AR/VR product at Meta. But when I found out about the opportunity at Indus, I got excited because I believe RISC-V will revolutionize the CPU industry. The CPU industry used to belong to a very exclusive circuit of companies that have the resource and financial capability to participate in this business. But the RISC-V architecture will completely change the business model and CPU industry, and I want to be part of it. Every time I consider a career move, I always ask myself two questions. The first one is, how can I contribute in my new role? And because they pay me for something that I can add on the value to the company, right? But the second part is also important, which is what can I learn or gain from the new position? I don't want to do the same thing what I did. I want to be able to acquire new experience or knowledge from this new opportunity. Money is important, don't get me wrong, but it never be my motivation for the change. I believe if you arm yourself with the necessary skills, the money will flow your way naturally.
Okay, I see. So pursuing a job and that shares your passion is one thing, but how does one become successful at it? I mean, this industry has changed a lot and it's still changing, right? When I started my career, it's a very different time. The players were different. EDA tools hadn't matured yet. There are many companies still doing full custom jobs. UVM wasn't invented or hasn't been standardized yet, and every company had their own verification philosophy and approaches. I mean, what do you think, Bing? It's a constantly changing landscape. So how does one manage their career and develop skills that they need?
Okay. Everyone is different, and you need to ask yourself, what is your passion? I choose to stay in the technical path because I enjoy the gratification when I solve a problem and working on the technical issues. For me to stay in this industry, I had to continue upgrading myself. This industry will continue to evolve with or without you. If you do not keep it up, you will be left behind, and it will be hard to catch it up once you are in that situation.
Okay, I see. And I think I agree too. Like you're saying one needs to evolve and constantly improve. And now that I
Right.
think about it, looking back 25 years ago, I had a ton of questions. There's a lot I didn't know. And the frustration is I couldn't search for answers. I didn't know where to look. Nowadays, we have the internet. We can easily search for information. Uh, and I think engineers don't have an excuse for not learning anymore. Everyone should all take some time from the work and look up and observe, see how the engineering community is changing. I'm learn about other architectures. If you're a designer, learn about DV. If you're a DV engineer, learn about architecture, so on and so forth. What do you think?
Yes, but you want to join a company that provide you those kind of opportunity, right? Yes, some company may offer career path, but some may not. It is better to do your own career management and work in a company that offer opportunity for you to grow.
And I'm so glad that you said that because, hey, at Andy's Technology, we are offering many opportunities right now. We are hiring designers, architects, software, hardware engineers, verification engineers, managers across the globe. So a message to all listening to this, if you want to pursue an engineering career, if you want to grow your knowledge and become more, come look for us, Andy's Technology. We are on LinkedIn and our website at andystech.com. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Looking forward to see you join us.
Thank you.